To the Health Record Support Team training video using and raising temporary notes. Temporary notes should be used whenever you have an appointment or admission and you can't get hold of the patient's case notes. To start with, a few don'ts. Do not use the trust case note file, as it doesn't matter how big or how bold you put temp note on it, at some point it will be traced and confused as a case note. Likewise, do not choose a red file, as again this will be confused at some point with the trust trauma note file, which we know as QQ notes. Also, do not use the patient's information sticker, as this carries information we are not allowed to show, such as address, telephone number, date of birth, etc. Also, we do not require a year sticker. This is the temporary file that is in common use within the trust and can be easily purchased through eProc. If you require the eProc code, please contact the Health Records Support Team. First off, in the top right-hand corner, you need the patient's name and hospital number. Have a look on IPM and see if the patient has an alert or alerts. If so, place a green sticker on the front and write the alert within the front cover. The filing and makeup of the temporary file is exactly the same as the case note file. So we require front sheet and labels, and then the requisite chapter cards. As I said, the filing follows the case note filing, so we have correspondence, followed by consents and wills, followed by the speciality chapter cards. If we have admission paperwork, this is filed at the back. Make sure that all paperwork and chapter cards are securely held within the temporary note folder. Next, we raise the temporary note on IPM, and we should see the prefix TN at the front of it when completed. Temporary notes should be filed within case notes at the earliest opportunity. To merge the temp note, once we have the case note, we simply move section for section exactly as it should be within inside the case note. In the front of the case note, we place the merge sticker, the date and your initials, and we can then delete the temporary note off of IPM. If you do not have the ability to delete, please contact the Health Record Support Team and they will be happy to delete it for you. Do not hang on to your temporary notes if you're unable to merge them. Return the temporary notes in the usual way to the Central Records Library, Bush Park, where the Health Record Support Team will merge them at the earliest opportunity. If the team are unable to merge, they will put the temporary note on the shelf, where, if you require a temporary note, you will be able to request this exactly as you do for a case note. If you have any questions about temporary notes, please contact the Health Record Support Team, and thank you for watching this video.